Good day guys, in this video we're talking about connecting interactive brokers to MetaTrader 5. So if you're trying to use them both together, you've probably noticed something confusing. IBKR doesn't natively support MT5. That means you can't just enter your IB login in MT5 like you would with other brokers. But there are ways to connect them using third-party bridges, and in this video I'll show you how that works. You need to understand the requirement first. So interactive brokers only supports its own platforms like Trader Workstation and IBKR Mobile, plus API-based connections. And to trade on MT5, you need a bridge software that translates your MT5 orders to IBKR's API. And the two most commonly used solutions are MT5 to IB Gateway / Fixed Bridge, and third-party bridges like Prime XM10 or FDI's MT5 to IBKR Bridge. These allow MT5 to execute trades through your IBKR accounts. So choose which bridge you want. Say, let's just choose either of these. So for example, Prime XM, there you go. You choose this bridge and then you download and install the bridge software you're using, log it into TWS or IB Gateway on your computer. This provides the API connection point. And in TWS, you go to Settings, API, Settings, and Enable ActiveX and Socket clients, and add the address to trusted IPs. And then connect the bridge and wait for it to sync. Once connected, MT5 will route orders through the bridge directly into your IBKR account. And what else? Always place a small test order first if execution is delayed or rejected. Adjust your API configurations or symbol mapping. And pretty much these are the ways to connect, guys. Since IBKR doesn't natively support MT5, a bridge is the only reliable way to use the platform. But once it's set up, you can execute trades straight from MT5 into your IB accounts. That's it, guys. If you need more tutorials on these services and platforms, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.